me good night. See if I'm okay, well I'm not, what? I'ma tell them, okay anyways. Amazed that I lasted this long in the cage. They gon' need me up when the tea time come. Swinging at the giants so my feet fall from foes. Don't know when he way to the throne. Shots straight to the dome.
Aïe 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 aïe.
Là, je vais te obligé d'y aller sur les pieds.
Aïe 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 aïe.
C'est bon?
Non, c'est bon, c'est bon.
Coming at me like that, better get the fuck back, cause that's a reach. Bitches never bump my shit, now they wanna suck dick, nah, that's a reach. Birds used to mock my flow, now they flock to the shows, it's such a reach. Working my way to the top, why would I listen to you tell me stop? That's a reach, bitch, that's a reach, bitch. That's a reach, bitch, get back on your knees, bitch. That's a reach, bitch, that's a reach, bitch. That's a reach, bitch, get back on your knees, bitch. Woke up to a pillow on my face and a king side bed with a little bit of space.
3, 2.
Baby, I ain't thought about it lately. Baby, she said don't.
Mais tu m'as juste dit la nuque.
La nuque, et voilà.
Like when did my Soho grow so big? Knocking on the noggin with the knowledge of the sick. Dropping out of college, get a scholarship and dip. Trying to solve my problems with some ganja in the big. Like been there, done that. Running with the dust cap, rapping well.
Regardez, j'ai eu un problème de frein et il y a tout ça qui a pété. Du coup, ils ont réparé avec du bois. C'est un truc de fou. Il y a vraiment des bricolos professionnels du vélo. Explique-nous ce qu'on fait.
Là on est à la recherche de valises orange avec ce petit plan.
Yes.
Et on en a déjà trouvé une, donc c'est un bon début.
Voilà, donc on fait une course d'orientation. Et ce matin, du coup c'était trail. Et il fallait courir. Tiens, en plus il y a une équipe derrière nous.
That's a reach, bitch. Get back on your knees, bitch.